Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials and then act. Check device volume, mute, and app audio. Once done, swap headphones or speakers and test to isolate hardware versus software. If you see no sound, restart the audio service or the system and note any error messages. Make sure to use a different output and reproduce the fault so you have a controlled test case. This saves time in the next, deeper steps. You now dive into drivers and routing. Update or reinstall the audio driver using Device Manager or the vendor tool. Drivers often cause dropouts. Then verify output routing and sample rate. Make sure the app isn't set to an incompatible rate or exclusive mode. Also check app permissions, codecs, and background processes that may steal audio. If an app still misbehaves, force quit and relaunch it. And you finish by applying final remediations. Reset audio settings, reinstall the audio stack, or create a clean user profile to eliminate corrupt preferences. Once done, test with an external USB DAC, Bluetooth headset, or boot a live OS session to check hardware isolation. If problems persist, log exact error messages, timestamps, and reproduction steps. This single troubleshooting tip speeds support and helps you roll back specific changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.